What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you, or I am going to explain to you how YouTubers make money on YouTube. If you've been searching for a side hustle to make money online, starting a YouTube channel is one of the best ways to make money online. You see these YouTubers buying expensive bags, flying to so many countries, having their own beautiful apartment, and you're wondering where this money coming from. You're asking yourself, is there any money on starting a YouTube channel? The answer is yes. YouTubers make money, some more than others, of course. Okay, now let's look at the YouTube business model. YouTube has the YouTube product, the YouTube client, and the YouTube partner. The YouTube product, if you're watching this video, you are a YouTube product. The YouTube clients are clients that put ad on any YouTuber's video for the viewers to click on the ad and buy their product. Those are businesses called YouTube client. For every 1,000 views an ad get on your video, YouTube charges amount of money. Remember, not subscribers, viewers. YouTube charges based on viewers, not subscribers. But that doesn't mean that subscribers are not important. CPM, which is cost per mile, and give creators 55% of the CPM, which I think it's fair. But don't get me wrong, not all YouTubers are made equal. The YouTube channel can have a CPM as high as $50, which is 780 rand, and other YouTube channel can have a CPM as low as $1, which is 15 rand 56 cents. Formula for calculating CPM is month viewers times CPM divided by 1,000 views. Then you get. Think about it. If your CPM is $50, which is 780 rand, that means about $27.5, which is 429, will actually go to you as a creator. If your channel earns $27.5, which is 429 rand for every 1,000 views, that means if your channel gets 100,000 views, you as a creator makes about $2,750, which is 42,879 rand 38 cents. But listen, if your CPM is just $1, that means what goes to you as a creator is 55 cents, which is 8 rand 60 per 1,000 views. So if your channel gets 100,000 views, you're gonna make $55, which is 858. But there is actually a reason behind that so many people just don't know. If you are serious about starting a YouTube channel, like this video, comment down below. I will make another video on how to create a high CPM paying channel. And that is all I have for you in this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video. See you on my next one. Bye.